Hey everyone, have you ever looked in the mirror and wished your skin looked fresher, smoother, and younger? Many people spend a fortune on expensive creams, serums, and treatments, hoping for that youthful glow. But what if the secret to younger looking skin was actually in your daily habits? The truth is, simple lifestyle changes can have a massive impact on how your skin looks and feels. If you're tired of dull, tired skin, then this video is for you. Today, we're sharing 5 powerful skin hacks that will transform your skin, making it healthier, brighter, and more youthful. Hydrate like your skin depends on it. One of the most underrated skincare hacks is hydration. Your skin is made up of cells that need water to function properly. When you don't drink enough water, your skin becomes dry, flaky, and more prone to wrinkles. Dehydration can also make your face look tired and aged, even if you're young. To keep your skin glowing, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. But hydration isn't just about drinking water. You also need to lock in moisture. Use a good quality moisturizer to keep your skin soft and plump. And consider adding a hydrating serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Eating water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon can also help boost hydration from the inside out. The more hydrated your skin is, the more youthful and fresh it will look. Get your beauty sleep. You've probably heard the term beauty sleep, but did you know that it's scientifically true? Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, producing new cells and increasing collagen production. If you don't get enough rest, your skin doesn't have enough time to heal, which leads to dark circles, fine lines, and a dull complexion. Ideally, you should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Sleeping on a clean pillowcase also makes a difference. Cotton pillowcases can create friction and cause wrinkles over time. So switching to a silk or satin pillowcase can be a game changer. And if you want to wake up with glowing skin, consider using a hydrating night cream or an overnight face mask to nourish your skin while you sleep. Use sunscreen every single day. One of the biggest causes of premature aging is sun damage. The sun's UV rays can break down collagen and elastin in your skin, causing wrinkles, dark spots, and even sagging. Many people think sunscreen is only for summer, but UV rays are present all year round, even on cloudy days. That's why applying sunscreen should be a non-negotiable part of your skincare routine. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it daily, even if you're staying indoors, as UV rays can penetrate windows. For extra protection, wear sunglasses, a hat, and seek shade whenever possible. If you make sunscreen a daily habit, you'll prevent premature aging and keep your skin looking younger for years to come. Eat skin-friendly foods. The phrase, "you are what you eat," applies directly to your skin. If your diet is filled with processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, your skin will show the effects through breakouts, inflammation, and premature aging. On the other hand, eating nutrient-rich foods can make your skin glow from the inside out. Focus on eating foods that are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats. Some of the best foods for youthful skin include avocados, salmon, nuts, seeds, berries, and dark leafy greens. These foods help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and boost collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Drinking green tea or adding turmeric to your meals can also help reduce redness and protect your skin from damage. If you want long-term results, making small, healthy changes to your diet can have a huge impact on your skin's health and appearance. Never sleep with makeup on. After a long day, it might be tempting to fall asleep with your makeup on. But this is one of the worst things you can do for your skin. Throughout the day, dirt, oil, and pollution build up on your face. If you don't cleanse properly, these impurities clog your pores, leading to breakouts, blackheads, and dull skin. Sleeping with makeup on also speeds up the aging process by preventing your skin from renewing itself overnight. The solution? Always remove your makeup before bed using a gentle cleanser or micellar water. Double cleansing. First with an oil-based cleanser, followed by a water-based cleanser, can help ensure that every trace of makeup and dirt is removed. After cleansing, apply a moisturizer or hydrating serum to keep your skin soft and fresh. This one simple habit can make a massive difference in how healthy and youthful your skin looks. Looking younger isn't about using expensive products or undergoing cosmetic procedures. The secret to youthful skin lies in the small, consistent habits you practice every day.